Improved fixtures and medical facilities in the OFW hospital, better bilateral labor deals, and increased opportunities and benefits for Filipinos seeking work abroad are tops on the DMW's agenda as per the President's orders in his recent State of the Nation address speech. RBN Vinny Manalo fills us in with more.
In President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s fourth State of the Nation address, he praised overseas Filipino workers or OFWs. The President stated that OFWs are proof of the excellence and diligence of Filipinos wherever you put them.
Papasalamat tayo sa ating mga magigiting ng OFW dahil sa kanila na ipamalas ang angking galing, kabutihan at puso ng Pilipino sa lahat ng sulok ng daigdig.
In reward for the sacrifice of the OFWs, the President assured that the government will focus on the various cases of Filipinos abroad. He assigned the Department of Migrant Workers or DMW and the Department of Foreign Affairs or DFA to focus on resolving the cases.
Sa loob ng 3 taon, nagawa ng kapatawaran ang mahigit 600 kababayan nating nahatulan dahil sa sari-saring paglabag sa batas sa ibang bansa.
More than 1 million OFWs have been serviced by the OFW Lounge in Airport. The fight against illegal recruitment and human trafficking will also be intensified. Digitalization will also be strengthened, especially in the processing of OFW documents.
Sa bagong Pilipinas, pagpapatuloy ang ating parangal at pagbibigay-pugay sa mga OFW sa pamamagitan ng mga programang tagos sa kanilang puso at diwa, sa pamamagitan ng mga proseso na magpapaginhawa sa kanilang pagbabiyahe, pag-uukol ng karagdagang panahon para sa kanilang pamilya.
DMW will prioritize bilateral labor agreements with various countries to increase opportunities for Filipinos. DMW will also further improve the OFW hospital so that it will be able to provide service to nearly 300,000 OFWs and their families. BN Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.